In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a font across all pages with just one click using Canva Pro. If you're anything like me, you know how time-consuming it can be to update the font on multiple pages of a design. Luckily, Canva Pro offers a fantastic feature that can save you a ton of time by allowing you to do this effortlessly. First, you'll want to log into your Canva account and make sure you have your design open. It's important to note that this feature is available to Canva Pro users, so if you're using a free account, you might want to consider upgrading to access this functionality. With your design open, navigate to the top toolbar and look for the option that says Styles. This feature can be quite the game changer, as it not only lets you change fonts but also color schemes across your design. Clicking on Styles will open up a panel on the left of your screen. Now, you should see a section labeled Document Fonts. This is where the magic happens. Canva will show you the fonts currently used in your document. From here, simply select a font you want to change. Then, you can either choose a replacement font from your brand kit, if you have one set up, or select from Canva's extensive library of fonts. Remember, it's beneficial to choose a font that aligns with your brand's identity or the message you want to convey through your design. Once you've settled on a font, the next step is to click it, and voila! The font update will be applied to all applicable text elements throughout your entire design. It's really that easy, just one click and you've achieved the change across all your design pages. This feature is particularly useful if you're rebranding or if you've decided on a new look for your project. It takes what used to be a manual, page-by-page task, and simplifies it into one swift action. If you're happy with your choice, make sure to save your design to keep all your changes intact. And there you have it. That's how you change a font in all pages of a Canva Pro design with one simple click. Not only does this make your workflow much more efficient, but it also ensures consistency across your work. This is just one of the many powerful tools Canva Pro provides to help streamline your creative process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it saves you plenty of time on your future projects. Be sure to explore other features that Canva offers to enhance your designs even further. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!